If your skin does not look like this, do not book me. My name is Layla. I'm a six-figure esthetician specializing in corrective skincare, and I'm really just kidding. I take all skin. However, I do really like working on acne clients. So let me walk you through this acne facial. We started off with a double cleanse. For the second cleanse, I'm using an acne cleanser that's going to absorb excess oil and break down dead skin cells in the pores. For her exfoliation, I'm using an enzyme with salicylic and glycolic mixed with oxygen to go ahead and prep her skin for extractions. I decided to use plastic wrap instead of steam because I did not want to irritate her inflamed acne. Look at how easy her extractions are coming out. As you see, I'm stretching out her skin so I can find all of the blackheads and whiteheads. We are not extracting the inflamed acne, only non-inflamed acne, and I like to be very thorough. As you can see, I got a lot out. For her mask, I put sulfur on her acne, which is going to kill bacteria and help treat inflammation. All over, I put the honey mask to soothe her skin and hydrate. We're ending the facial with oxygen infusion and high frequency, which helps kill bacteria as well. If you have acne, go ahead and book an appointment today. I do have a special going on this week only. See you soon.